Good evening guys. Update lang ko para sa November 5, no? This is SBB Vlog, Suratris Big Boss. Subscribe please. Gamay ng tabang para sa ating YouTube channel, no? So, mini YouTube channel. So guys, tomorrow is Tomorrow guys is November 5. No, November 5. No, 5 no. 2022. So, atong pa-sure guys is pa-sure na to. Isi to and